My name is Ahmed Raza Yusuf. I'm the president of Bay Homes. We are custom home builders in GTA. We have projects going on in Caucasian, Guelph, Brampton, Mississauga. We usually have multiple floor plans and we try to show the best illustration in our sales office or more model homes, but every home is unique in its own way. There was no other way to overcome that problem but to have a company like Kavtek come along with us and to take our renderings, take our floor plans, and put them into a 3D model. By giving us these tools of 3D model and renderings and adding these features of changing wall colors and floors and paint and so many multiple aspects, and it has helped us convey the message to the buyers very easily, and we strongly feel at Bay Homes that our buyers are going to fully utilize not only until they have moved in, but also afterwards once they have moved in, because who doesn't like changes in their home, and what's the best way to have other than having a nice 3D model floor plan of their own home, because there's unlimited possibilities with this app, and I really appreciate the team at Kavtek for giving Bay Homes such an amazing service, and they're always there for us, and we really appreciate it, and I am excited to use it in future as well for my other projects.